we have, let's inaugurate the event with our very own Dr. Manish Mutrani, bariatric surgeon at Astha Bariatrics. Sir, all over to you. Please give us your valuable insights today at the event.
Thank you, Sneha. Sneha, I think so. You should uh, think of another profession also. You're a lovely MC. You compare really well. So, such a lovely beginning you've given, and it's really nice to boost up everyone, because lockdown has come, and lockdown has been one of the most horrible things anyone has ever faced. So here in this group right now, I have people who are 30-year-olds also. We've got 65 years old also. And we have seen that during our lifetime, we have never faced such a situation like a lockdown. And lockdown has brought with it lots and lots of challenges. But there are certain people who have taken lockdown as a possibly opportunity. And they have taken it positively. This is all what we want. देखिए, we've had one biggest challenge in our body, which was weight gain, and weight gain is supposed to be one of the biggest challenges ever. आज किसी को weight gain हो जाए तो चलने के टाइम पे दम लगता है, weight gain हो जाए तो सांस फूलती है, weight gain हो जाए तो डायबिटीज आ सकती है, weight gain हो जाए तो ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ सकता है, weight gain हो जाए तो हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकते हैं. So directly, indirectly, weight gain leads to multiple problems, and this weight gain is also called as obesity. But जब ये weight gain हो जाता है तो इसके साथ हमारे hundreds and hundreds of problems आ जाते हैं. You really feel so uncomfortable. Is this the life that I'm looking out for? I have to go to the next building. I think 10 times मैं जाऊं कि नहीं जाऊं. घर के अंदर चलने के लिए भी हम 10 बार सोचते हैं कि हम ये करें या ना करें, because your body suppose is made up to pick up around 60 kgs of weight, and your body is made to pick up 125 kgs या 120 या 100 kgs. तो क्या आपके लेग्स में वो कैपेसिटी है कि इतना सस्टेन करें? और फिर हम सोचते हैं, लोग हमें कहते हैं कि नहीं, आप वॉक करके वजन कम करिए, जॉग करके वजन कम करिए. मुझे रिलेटिव्स आके कहते हैं कि अरे ये तो मैं इसके पीछे पड़ा हूं, ये तो एक्सरसाइज करती ही नहीं है. मतलब फादर्स टेलिंग अबाउट डॉटर्स, ये तो एक्सरसाइज करती ही नहीं है. हाउ इज इट फीजिबल? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल कि आदमी एक्सरसाइज करे? पहले तो आपके पाँव आपको उठा रहे हैं, वो ही मेहरबानी करे. उसके बाद आपको बोले कि आप एक्सरसाइज करो, तो इट इज यूजुअली नॉट पॉसिबल. So obesity and weight gain has a huge impact on our body, on physically, mentally, psychologically. We literally lose confidence on ourselves कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, हम ये नहीं कर सकते, हम ये काम कर सकेंगे, हम ये काम नहीं कर सकेंगे. I think so. Bariatric surgery has given us a different ray of hope. Bariatric surgery has probably changed the way we think, changed the way we live. Bariatric surgery से जो weight loss हुआ है, वो weight loss से I would have thousands and thousands of patients जो ऑपरेट करने के बाद में पहले शायद 10 कदम नहीं चल सकते थे या 2 माले नहीं चढ़ सकते थे. आज देखिए, jog for 7 kilometers. एक भी नहीं है. नहीं, एक आया है. They can jog for 7 kilometers. मतलब it is unbelievable response, and we ourselves are very happy to see that response. There have been challenges. We are happy to overcome those challenges. It is that आप और हम मिलके जो भी चाहिए जीत सकते हैं. इसके लिए आज चाहे वो रमेश पिठवा जैसे पेशेंट हो जो हमारे साथ 10 साल से जुड़े हो, बेला आचार जैसे पेशेंट्स हो जो हमारे साथ 12 साल से हो, सुचित्रा सचदेव जैसे पेशेंट्स हो जो भी ऑलमोस्ट 8-9 years, सुचित्रा 6 years से है. So each and every patient we respect as much, because आज जो आप ये कर सके हो, that is primarily because your intent that you wanted to do it, and that strength, friends, I really salute. Because हमारे मन में हमेशा रहता है कि मैं तो ठीक हूं, मुझे थोड़ी कोई मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम है जो मैं जाके ऑपरेट कराऊं. Everyone knows जब भी कोई strong medical problem होता है तो सर्जरी करने की जरूरत होती है. तो first of all, to convince yourself and convince your family members that yes, this surgery is required so that I can go and look out for a better quality of life. So seriously speaking, I salute all of you for the type of decisions you all have taken. That is our first step. अगर एक बार हमने वो first step लिया है, then things become really better for us. The only thing that I would always like to tell you all is, जो भी हो, keep a positive attitude. anything that you do, keep a positive attitude, because आज वो शुरुआत जो positive attitude से हुई, that is the reason you all are doing what you are able to do today. If that positive attitude was not there that time, तो ये सब चीजें immaterial, कोई चीज से आपको benefit नहीं मिल सकता है. There have been patients, for example, अभी संगीता की जरूर है. So many medical problems. She had hernia problem, medical problems, operated 5 times earlier for various other things. Today, her quality of life is that before the lockdown, I could see, she stays in my building, she could take 10 rounds, 20 rounds in the building. 1.5 घंटा walk करे. So there are so many patients. I will not name, there are patients who are my family members, जिनको convince करने को मुझे 7 साल लगे हैं. लेकिन finally, they took out that strength inside them that yes, आज मैं अगर वो नहीं करता हूं या नहीं करती हूं तो मैं मेरी quality of life बिगाड़ रही हूं. और now today, when those people are positively doing things, you can't imagine the type of happiness I get inside. यहाँ पे जब भी लोग आते हैं ना, I'm telling you, the only reason that Department of Bariatric Surgery at Aastha is growing leaps and bounds is not anything else. It's only because जो आप लोग हर बार अंदर महसूस करते हो, जैसे उषा ने जो आज बताया कि मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. This is not just that she is standing in front of me. उषा घर में अपने मन में भी सोचती होगी, and she would be thanking me and my team at least 20 times. She doesn't know that she is one of the main reasons why she has lost weight. आप भले हमें कुछ भी करिए, मैं तो सिर्फ एक जरिया हूं. But these blessings and these good things that I keep getting indirectly from y'all is the reason why Aastha Bariatrics is growing leaps and bounds. It is one of the topmost centers in the country today. It is one of the topmost centers in Maharashtra and Mumbai. We are a center of excellence. All this has happened. Jyoti, you have shared a screen. Bhakti, can you call up Jyoti and speak? Till that time I'll continue. So, friends, this has been a very courageous decision. Again and again, I'll tell you. And because of this courageous decision, your life is bound to change. Your life, your quality of life, everything is going to change over a period of time. And if this happens well, I'm telling you, you are going to have an unbelievable life in future. Now, when bariatric surgery is done, your life is changed. We also ask you that change your lifestyle. I'm not going to speak about food now. I'm not going to speak about diet now. You know, we never tell you to do any dieting. It is not dieting. It is called as the best method of eating, which Bhakti is going to definitely speak today. My concern is, आज तक आपको मौका नहीं मिला था कि आप एक्सरसाइज कर सके. आपको मैक्सिमम लोगों की बात कर रहा हूं, हिमल आपकी नहीं. लोगों को मौका नहीं मिलता था कि मैं एक्सरसाइज कर सकूं बिकॉज मेरे पाँव मुझे अलाउ नहीं करते. बहुत लोगों को ये मौका नहीं मिलता था क्योंकि उनको लगता था कि they used to have, so many patients have come to us जिनका पाँव का meniscus tear हो गया है, कहाँ पे ligament tear हो गया when they started exercising, because with a weight of 100, 120, 140, 180, 200, your legs are not made to pick up that much weight. So when that is a situation, you cannot do all those exercises. लेकिन when this is like a God's gift to you all that आप लोग के efforts के वजह से आज आपका weight इतना loss हुआ है, because of your decision, good decisions, your weight loss has happened. I think so ये chance आपको कभी खोना नहीं. This is the time when you have to start utilizing your lost weight. You have to start utilizing your better body. You have to start utilizing the time when your legs are not under a burden. ये time को आप utilize करिए. जैसे इसके बाद में ना सिर्फ आप weight loss करो. मैं आप लोगों को एक जन दिखाता हूं. Of course, there are many over here, but there is someone who likes to flaunt herself. I'm putting the spotlight on her. किधर है हमारी favorite? No, ऐसे नहीं कि others नहीं है favorite, but Renuka, where are you? Where is Renuka? Renuka. Yeah, Renuka, come closer. Come closer. I'm putting a spotlight on you. Now this girl, she can speak for hours and hours and hours. She can speak for hours and hours that how she has been able to get a fantastic body the way she wanted. So ये सिर्फ सर्जरी की बात नहीं, सिर्फ वेट लॉस की बात नहीं. हमें चाहिए कि आप में से हर एक जन फिटनेस की मिसाल बन जाए. हमें चाहिए कि अगर आपके 30 या 40 किलो या 50 किलो या 60 किलो या 80 किलो कम हुए हैं, तो आप उसको यूटिलाइज करिए. आप अपने बॉडी को शेप में लाइए. वी डोंट वांट लूज स्किन. हमारे पास ऐसे थोड़े लोग हैं जो जिम्स चलाते हैं, जो स्विमिंग पूल्स चलाते हैं, जो पूरे क्लब हाउसेस चलाते हैं. क्या वो इसको यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं? आर दे यूजिंग दिस टू द ऑप्टिमल कैपेसिटी? Hemal took it as a profession for herself. Renuka, you are always so fitness freak. I want you all to create an example for yourself and for others, that when you have lost weight, utilize the time in such a manner. When you have lost weight, utilize this time in such a manner that you are creating a totally healthy lifestyle for you. And once you create this healthy lifestyle for you, you are the people who are going to have the best in your life in future. तो जैसे मैं कहता हूं, have everything in moderation. आपने अपना weight loss किया है, excellent. Weight loss के बाद में थोड़ा physical exercise every day is very good. It will help you to tone your body, physically make your body better. Diet, we never say that आप ये मत खाओ, वो मत खाओ. जो खाना है अच्छी तरह से खाओ. See, I am not intruding on to what you're going to speak. Don't worry. But I feel utilize these moments to the optimal capacity so that आप अपनी लाइफ बेहतर कर सको. आप एक एग्जाम्पल बन जाओ लोगों के लिए. There are so many people. आपको मालूम है, हर एक जन के सामने ऐसे 10 जन होते हैं जो आपके बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड्स होते हैं. जिनमें मोटापा या ओबेसिटी या वेट गेन होता है ना, आपके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं ना, वो आपके ऊपर नजर रखते हैं कि ये बंदे की लाइफ कैसे हुई है, तो मैं मेरी लाइफ वैसे करूं. आज अगर आप एग्जाम्पल से लीड करते हैं, आपको और 100 जनों की लाइफ इंप्रूव करने का मौका मिलेगा. तो थैंक यू Renuka for all what you have done, and I really hope you keep doing the good work. Thank you Suchitra, thank you Hemal, and thank you Amit and everyone for doing all what you all are doing. But please ensure that these are going to be extraordinary good long-term results. I want you all to be fitness, at your peak of fitness. I want you all to have this fitness for years and years and years to come. And this will happen only with your cooperation. Dr. Sudarshan is there with us. He is going to train us some things. But I will now halt because मुझे बाहर से हाथ आ गया भक्ति का कि सर अभी दूसरों को मौका दीजिए. So thank you all for coming here today, and thank you all who are on Facebook Live also. All those patients who have got operated, all those who haven't got operated, all those who are going to take a decision for surgery or have already taken the strongest and courageous and the best decision, you all are welcome on this platform today. And I hand over again to Sneha. Sneha, all yours. Please carry on the work that you're doing.
Thank you so much,